Good morning student, hello. We are seeing the lesson number 7 populations. In previous video we have seen the information about populations, a source, a resource. So in that video we have seen means growth does not mean development. Growth means it is not development. So in this video we have seen the next information about this lesson, page number 48. For many decades only countries gross national product was used for measuring development. Means in previous year or in previous decade our country was used to measure the national development as well as personal development. They use GNP. What? GNP. GNP means gross national product was used for measuring development. It was assumed that the greater the economic prosperity, the more development of the country, and with the help of this GNP, okay, our country was measured the economic prosperity and the development of country. Means how is our economy? Okay, what is the development of our country? Okay, all these things they develop, all these things they measure, they calculate in GNP. But this does not mean the people are happy with the quality of life in that country. But in that year, or you can say in the ancient times, our human beings was okay, he was not happy, okay, he was just living. He was just living to fulfill their basic need. But that time means economic factors. Which economic factors were different? Okay, that economic factors were very weak. So the people means the people were unhappy. Okay, that's why. In reality, development is related to the quality of life, the opportunities available there and freedoms. Means the development is what? Means what is the meaning and what is the definition of development? Okay, that's thing our forefathers, okay, they didn't know. They know only to fulfill their basic need. Means it is not a development. Okay, that time the people were not happy. That's why our Indian economy was very weak, very low. So okay, this development is depend on your quality of life. तुम्हारी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ कैसी है? ओके, देन सेकेंड पॉइंट इज हाउ इज योर अर्निंग योर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ओके, मीन्स हाउ मच जॉब इज अवेलेबल इन योर कंट्रीज. रियली दे आर, यू कैन से, फ्री फ्रॉम एनी अदर्स प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, हाउ दे आर लिविंग. ओके, ऑल दीज थिंग्स डिपेंड ऑन योर डेवलपमेंट. सो in the decade of 1980 to 1990, which decade? 1980 to 1990, Mohawk, UI Huck and Amartya Sen, these two economists, which Mohawk, UI Huck and Amartya Sen put forth the concept of Human Development Index. Okay, they search the new concept, how to measure their, you can say, earnings, how to measure the Indians as well as their personal earnings and their development. Okay, that's why they put the you can say new concept HDI. What is HDI? Means Human Development Index. United National Development Program, UNDP, published a list of countries based on the HDI score survey every year. So, okay, all the countries, okay, accept that concept. So, according to the concept, United National Development Program is UNDP. Okay, they publish the list of countries based on the HDI. Okay, based on the HDI, okay, they publish the list of हाउ इज द HDI, उसका ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स कैसा है. ओके, आप सो इन द पेज नंबर 48, okay, you can see there, okay, there is one table, okay, you have to read, you have to observe, you have to study carefully. Okay, there are the HDI, okay, rank wise. So if you will see in the first rank Norway, see there Norway, the country Norway, value of HDI 0.949. नॉर्वे का HDI क्या है, ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स कितना है 0.949 एंड लेवल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट इज वेरी हाई, दैट्स व्हाई देयर लेवल इज वेरी हाई. सेकंड इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया 0.939, ओके, इट इज आल्सो वेरी हाई. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ यू विल सी India, okay, our rank is 131 in the world. Our HDI rank, how much? 131 rank है, okay, in the world. And our HDI, the value of HDI is 0.624 and the level of development is medium. Our country's HDI, okay, level of development is medium. So dear students, okay, there are countries names, okay, their HDI, their ranks, and okay, their development level, okay, you have to see carefully, okay. Then if we will see the Afghanistan, the rank is 169 and their HDI is 0.479 and their development level is low. उसका डेवलपमेंट लेवल क्या है, इट इज़ वेरी लो. So dear students, the two economists we have seen, Bob U.I. Huck and Amartya Sen. Okay, these two economists, they put for the concept of HDI, Human Development Index, in the decade of 1980 to 1990, and it is very beneficial, okay, it is very good to measure the development of any country. That's why United National Development Program accept this concept, okay, and they published the list of countries, okay, we have seen countries, okay, on the base of HDI. So dear students, in this way we have seen these informations, okay. In the next video we will see next portion of this lesson. Thank you.